probably the main thing about it, it's actually really easy. But to actually understand it is really hard. So let's just dive in. And the first trick here is just to tune your top string down to D, hence the drop D. All right, so we pick our normal D string, hit the E, tune it down a whole step. What that gives you on those top three strings, it's actually a fifth chord. So you can pretty much strum, put your finger down just about anywhere, it'll be a fifth. Pretty handy, hey? And then really you can move very quickly. All right, that gives you that really fast chord changes, which is great for metal.